Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your favorite place for discovering fun, magical, and practical gifts. Today, I've got something extra special, the best Kids Valentines Basket you'll find online this season. We're taking a closer look at the Haclury Christmas Unicorn gift set for girls. A magical all-in-one gift box perfect for birthdays, holidays, Easter, or just to make your little one feel like the star she is. Whether you're shopping for a 6 to 8-year-old or even older unicorn fans, this is a box of pure joy. Right off the bat, this box delivers excitement. It's a colorful, beautifully packed gift set designed specifically with unicorn lovers in mind. Inside, you'll find a total of 8 whimsical items, each one thoughtfully chosen to delight and inspire. Let's start with the standout piece, the unicorn tumbler. This isn't just a cute cup. It's a 20-ounce, double-walled, vacuum-insulated stainless steel tumbler. It's made with 18/8 food-grade steel, making it completely safe and durable. Whether it's hot cocoa in the winter or cold juice in the summer, this sweat-free design means no messy drips. It's practical, it's adorable, and it's perfect for school, road trips, or slumber parties. Next up, the unicorn crossbody bag. Now this is a showstopper, crafted from ultra-soft plush polyester with a shiny, glittering unicorn horn and dreamy pastel details. It's lightweight and easy to wear, designed just right for little shoulders. Whether it's for carrying treasures, snacks, or school supplies, this fluffy unicorn bag makes any outfit feel enchanted. But the magic doesn't stop there. Also inside this gift box are 2 sparkly unicorn pens, perfect for writing stories, doodling rainbows, or filling out secret diaries. And to keep all those supplies organized, you get a cute unicorn pencil case that matches the vibe perfectly. Now let's talk accessories. The unicorn headband is a true favorite. It's plush, it's bright, and it transforms any regular day into a celebration. Add to that a unicorn keychain that your kiddo can hang on a backpack or use with house keys, and suddenly every item they own gets a touch of glittery personality. To top it all off, there's a gift card for writing a sweet message and a premium gift box that's ready to give, no wrapping required. It's convenience, style, and magic all in one. This entire set was curated to create a moment, not just a gift. Imagine the look on a child's face opening this box. You're giving more than toys. You're giving an experience, a memory, and a sprinkle of everyday magic. If you're looking for the perfect gift, for Valentine's Day, birthdays, or just because, the Haclury Unicorn gift set is a thoughtful, high-quality option that's as fun as it is functional. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more reviews on gifts that delight and inspire. See you in the next one.